welcome back to my channel. So today I have created for you this green look right here. It was very easy, very simple to follow, and I used shades only from the Jaclyn palette, which obviously I love. Like, we used two transition shades and these two greens right here, and that was it. Like, wanted to do a look with some different colours today, which is why I picked the greens. And also because there's so much chat right now about Jaclyn Hill and the new Vault, which I cannot wait to get my hands on, so I've brought out her palette again and just used some colours. If you would like to see how I created this look right here, just please keep watching. Okay, so how odd do I look right now with one eye done? So as I said in the intro, this eye has been really watering, just playing up so bad. So it doesn't look right just in this blend here. If I touch it right now, it's still going to water, so I'm just going to leave it and do this eye how it would look, I guess. So let's get started. I have primed my eye with MAC Paint Pot and Painterly as per normal. I haven't set it down, and obviously I'm not going to. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette right here and going in just with transition shades, these two right here. So I've actually had my hair extensions taken out and my hair is so thin and horrible and disgusting, so it's up in this little bun and it's totally backcombed to try and make it look as if I've got some volume, but just every time I catch myself on camera I absolutely hate it. I'm getting it put back in tomorrow, so it's just like a little day without, and it had to be the day that I was filming, obviously. So I'm blending that right the way up near the brow, just leaving a little bit of space, and we're going to like wing this green out. So as far as transitions go, that's as much as I'm actually going to do. And now for the Jaclyn Hill palette, again I'm going into this green right here. I'm not spraying the brush or anything, I'm just patting it on all over the lid. And I'm using just a Urban Decay brush that I think came with the Naked Heat palette. I'm just going to pat that in a little bit with my finger. And then I'm going back in with that brush. So it's just all over the lid. I would say this is a very easy 1, 2, 3 glam look, which is actually what I wanted to create this morning. I didn't have a lot of time and I wanted to show you how you can get a really glam going out look without it taking like an hour or using 100 different colours. So just all over the eye, and just bring it right underneath and out so that I can get the shape that I want. If you can see that that has just changed colour right in the corner there on camera, it is because my eye is actually watering, which is the story of my life. Taking a thicker brush, and now I'm going around the outside and I'm only blending upwards this colour into the transition shade, and then back into that green again because I just want this to come up a little bit higher. So I'm bringing it up high here. You can see how dramatic that looks, and yet it was just one transition shade and one shimmer shade and blended out. Just because I wanted to pop just a little bit more, I'm actually taking the green colour in the Jaclyn Hill palette here, and I'm just taking it on my finger and putting it right in the middle here. The green on a little tiny brush, and I'm bringing it underneath the eyes here from the inner corners around. Let me come up so you can see it. And usually I would do my eyes first and then my base, but I just wanted to come on camera with a finished look so that you get a better understanding or a better idea of how it would look. But I would advise to do your eyes first, because I have got like a little bit of fallout here, which I'm just going to wipe away and clean up. And now for this shade here in the Jaclyn Hill palette again. On my tiny little brush that we have here, and that is going underneath but right in the middle, just exactly where we put it on the top. We're again just creating that little bit of dimension. Would you rather see these quite simple eye makeup looks for videos, or would you rather that you spent a little bit more time and did something really intense, really dramatic, that a lot of detail and step-by-step tutorials of that kind of look? Or would you rather that these videos were really nice and simple and easy for you to recreate? Just comment below and let me know. But I basically just wanted to show that you don't have to use 100,000 colours, and you don't have to have all this expensive makeup to create dramatic eye looks like this, or that you have to sit down and spend an hour to do these. That took what, 10 minutes, although it was quicker than what I wanted it to be, because my eyes are watering so bad. They just want me to get this makeup off my face, so I am going a little bit quicker than usual. With the same colour that we took underneath, I'm actually going to take it in the waterline, because I don't have a kohl pencil that I can put in this kind of colour, and I feel like that is just adding that something to this makeup look. I'm taking the MAC gel liner in Black Track on a really small brush, and I'm putting that just along the lash line, very tight and very small. I want this liner here to blend in with the false lashes, but I don't actually want a liner, if you know what I mean. So that's the liner, really close into the lash line. I'm going to pop some glue on the lash, and again while we're waiting on that lash just to dry, because I like the glue to be really tacky, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow palette in Aurora, and I'm taking this green down here that obviously matches in, and I'm only going to put that on top of my, just under my brow, on my brow bone. I'm taking that dry at the moment, and I'm just popping it here. This palette is amazing, like I absolutely love it. It is became one of my favourite highlighting kits like ever. It's so nice. It's the first ABH highlighters that I've ever tried, and gosh, they do not disappoint. So I've now squished my brush, and I'm just only popping the wet highlighter on that middle point there, and I'm just going to do the same over in this eye. It's just so pretty. And I'm not going to do the inner corners because we've got the green, the dark green coming right in, and I think that I like it just as it is. I'm not going to do the highlight. For my cheek highlight, I actually used the shade Luna and the shade Lyra in this palette. I didn't want to go in with the green because it would be too much. It was just a neutral highlight that was needed to finish off this makeup look. I've also used just a matte lip because there's so much going on in the eyes, and again, it makes it more wearable, but it's so glam. Let's pop on this lash. That is a lash on, and you can see it just really finishes off this look. Let's pop on some under mascara on the bottom lashes. So that finishes off this makeup look. I swear it could take you literally 20 minutes to do that full eye look. It's dead simple, dead easy, only using a couple of colours. I kept the skin mainly matte because we had so much going on with the eyes, so much shimmer, and just a little bit of highlight, and a very nude neutral lip, which is actually MAC Velvet Teddy. I'm actually so pleased with how it turned out. When I first started doing this eye off camera, it was watering like crazy, and I thought I'm not even going to be able to film this video today, so I literally just left it, did my base makeup, which is another reason why I had my base makeup done before my eyes. And when I moved on to this one on camera, it is watering and stinging like crazy just now as well. I don't know why this happens now and again, it just does. But I'm gonna zoom you in and let you have a look at the eye makeup close up. Enjoy these kind of looks instead of the more intricate ones, which there's a lot of YouTubers out there who you can go and watch, but I feel as if like it's nice to do something a little bit easier, a little bit simpler, but glam at the same time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.